Okay, let's go ahead and add some shadow. Making shadow, I'm gonna start with a frame, and inside of the frame, I'm gonna add a rectangle. Now I can, give it a color, maybe, I don't know, white. Just to see the difference, I'm gonna change the background color a little bit darker so I can see different. Okay, here we go. All right, so this is my box. Now my goal is I want to add shadow so that I can show that element is erasing from the screen. So I'm kind of thinking of having three different, three levels. So yeah, let's see. Let's get it started. So now that I have the box or I have a rectangle, right? I'm gonna go ahead and click on Effects, Plus, and here you're gonna see the shadow. Maybe so this one I want to be low. So maybe I'm gonna say 5. Yeah, 6 maybe. Let's see. No, 2. Yeah, this is not bad. So this is kind of basically lowered down. Again, maybe make it. Okay, yeah, it has slight kind of light shadow around the box. I'm happy with this. Again, I can change it later. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on the style plus, and I would say little like 1. All right, then I can make a copy from this and go to the right side, detach, and now I want it to raise a little bit higher, right? So I can make it 4, maybe 1.5. Let's see. Yep, so as you can see, the shadow is a little bit stronger, right? And maybe, I don't know, maybe you can just increase the color also, maybe 16. Yeah, it's, just add a little bit curviness so I can feel like it. Yeah, okay, yeah, I like it. So this is gonna be my level 2. So plus level 2. Now let's go and have another elevation, right? So I'm gonna detach, perfect. 6 probably. And let's see. Yeah, I'm happy with this actually. Yeah, I like it. Now I can adjust the kind of, the lighting. Let's say right now, as you can see, shadow is getting from the top, it gets outside. It depends on where your light is hitting. Let's say if the light is hitting from the top, you don't get shadow, getting out from the top. It should go to the bottom. So, of course, you can adjust them with, X and Y, but maybe what I should do, maybe 3 here. Okay, as you can see, I have a slight kind of shadow from the top, but all the shadows are going to the bottom. Yep, so that was good. Plus, hello. And you can add more if you needed to, but I kind of happy with what I have. Now, if I go ahead and check my styles, I have colors. And here we go. I do have 3 different levels of, shadow here. And that was the shadow. Thank you.